Number 1. John Deere 8400R. The John Deere 8R series was first introduced in 2009 and has since become one of the most popular lines of tractors on the market. The 8400R was introduced in 2017 as part of the series' fourth generation and has been a popular choice for large-scale agricultural operations ever since. The John Deere 8400R is a high-power tractor that has been designed for large-scale agricultural operations. This machine is part of John Deere's 8R series and is known for its advanced features and excellent performance. The 8400R is powered by a 9.0-liter six-cylinder engine that delivers up to 400 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful tractors in its class. This machine also features a variable transmission that provides smooth and efficient power delivery under all operating conditions. The 8400R also features an advanced hydraulic system which provides precise control over the movement of implements and other attachments. This hydraulic system can deliver up to 115 gallons of hydraulic flow per minute, which is enough to power even the most demanding equipment. One of the key features of the 8400R is its advanced technology. This machine is equipped with a high-resolution command center display that provides real-time information about the tractor's performance and operating conditions. The command center allows operators to adjust settings and make other changes to optimize the tractor's performance for different tasks. The 8400R is also equipped with an advanced auto-track system that uses GPS technology to provide precise guidance and steering, which can help to reduce operator fatigue and improve efficiency. In terms of comfort and convenience, the 8400R is hard to beat. This machine features a spacious and well-insulated cab with a high level of visibility and ergonomic controls. The cab is also equipped with a premium sound system and other amenities to help operators stay comfortable and focused during long hours in the field. The John Deere 8400R has several advantages, including its powerful engine, advanced technology, and versatile hydraulic system. This machine is also known for its excellent performance and efficiency, which can help farmers to increase their productivity and profitability. However, one of the disadvantages of the 8400R is its high price tag, which may be prohibitive for some farmers. Additionally, the advanced technology and features of this machine may require specialized training or maintenance, which could add to the overall cost of ownership. Overall, the John Deere 8400R is a highly advanced and capable tractor that is designed for large-scale agricultural operations. With its powerful engine, advanced technology, and versatile hydraulic system, this machine is a popular choice for farmers around the world. Number 2. Case IH Steiger 580 Quadtrac. The Case IH Steiger 580 Quadtrac is a high-power tractor that is designed for large-scale agricultural operations. It was first introduced in 1996 and since then has undergone multiple updates and improvements to make it one of the most advanced tractors on the market. Case IH Steiger 580 equipped with a 15-liter engine that delivers up to 608 horsepower, providing plenty of power to pull large implements and work in tough field conditions. The Quadtrac design of the tractor features 4 independent tracks, which provide excellent traction and reduce compaction of the soil, allowing for better yield potential in future crops. The Steiger 580 also features an advanced hydraulic system that can deliver up to 113 gallons of hydraulic flow per minute, allowing for the use of large hydraulic implements and quick cycle times. The tractor is also equipped with an advanced transmission that provides smooth and efficient power delivery, as well as a spacious and comfortable cab that is designed for operator comfort and productivity. One of the notable advantages of the Case IH Steiger 580 Quadtrac is its ability to operate in tough field conditions, as the independent tracks provide better flotation and traction than traditional tire-based tractors. The advanced hydraulic system and transmission also make it an efficient and productive machine, capable of handling a variety of implements and tasks. Another advantage of the Steiger 580 is its advanced technology, such as the AFS Connect telematics system, which allows farmers to monitor and manage their equipment remotely. It also has an adjustable suspension system that allows for better ride quality and control, as well as an advanced cab design that provides a comfortable and ergonomic workspace for operators. However, there are some potential disadvantages to consider, such as the high initial cost of the machine and the increased maintenance requirements associated with the Quadtrac design. The 4 independent tracks can also make the machine wider and harder to maneuver in tight spaces, making it less suitable for smaller fields or farms with narrow gateways or tight access points. Overall, the Case IH Steiger 580 Quadtrac is a powerful and advanced tractor that offers a range of benefits for large-scale farming operations. Its combination of high horsepower, advanced technology, and independent track system make it well-suited for tough field conditions and heavy-duty applications.